Here's session 2 of competency-based questions in matrices. Useful for your exam preparation.
To 3 schools A, B and C sold fans, mats and plates at a cost of rupees 2550 each. The number of articles sold are given below in this table. Find the funds collected by each school separately by selling the above articles. Also find the total funds collected. So we have to find the funds collected by each school. So we write a matrix ABC, and the first row is 40, 50, 20. That's standing for A. Second row is 25, 40, 30. Third row is 35, 50, 40. And then you have the cost of each, 25, 100 and 50. So these are the cost of the fan, mats and plates, and this is a 3 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 1 matrix. So the product is a 3 by 1 matrix, and multiplying you get 7,000, 6,125 and 7,875. So A collected rupees 7,000, B collected rupees 6,125 and C collected rupees 7,875, and the total funds collected will be the sum of all this, which is 21,000. Families A and B. There are 4 men, 6 women and 2 children in family A, and 2 men, 2 women and 4 children in family B. The recommended daily amount of calories is 2,400 for men, 1,900 for women, 1,800 for children, and 45 grams of protein for men, 55 grams for women, and 33 grams for children. Represent the above information using matrices. Using matrix multiplication, calculate the total requirement of calories and proteins for each of the 2 families. So we make it into a table. You have 2 families A and B. So we have 4 men, 6 women and 2 children in the first. Second one is 2 men, 2 women and 4 children. And the calories and protein is 2,400, 1,900 and then you have 45, 1,900 and 1,800. And then you have 45, 55 and 33. When you multiply these, they can be multiplied because the first one is a 2 by 3 matrix. Second is a 3 by 2 matrix. So the product will be a 2 by 2 matrix. So when you multiply, this is what you get. So the total number of calories for A will be 24,600. Total number of protein for A will be 576. Total number of calories for B will be 15,800, and total requirement of protein for B will be 332. So this is matrices competency based question. 2 schools A and B award prizes to their students for honesty, punctuality Y and obedience Z. School A awards 11,000 for the 3 values to 5, 4 and 3 students respectively, while School B awards 10,700 for 3 values to 4, 3 and 5 students respectively. If all the 3 prizes together amount to rupees 2,700, represent the above by a matrix equation and form linear equations using matrix multiplication. So we write A as the number of students in the schools 543 and school B is 435, and all the 3 prices together amount to 2,700. So I write 111 as the third row. So basically the first row is X, second row is Y and third row stands for Z. And then you have capital X, which is a column matrix X, Y, Z. Now in B, I write the cost for school A, which is 11,000, school B, which is 10,700, and the total amount, which is 2,700. And you multiply AX equal to B. So this is in matrix form. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 1. And the answer is 3 by 1. So when you multiply, you get 5x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 11,000. 4x plus 3y plus 5z is 10,700. X plus y plus z is 2,700. So this is competency based questions in matrices session 2. To promote the making of schools for girls, awareness is created through houses, letters and announcements. The cost for each mode per attempt is given below. For houses it's 50, letters it's 20, announcements it's 40. The number of attempts made in 3 villages X, Y, Z are given below. Find the total cost incurred for the 3 villages separately using matrices. So we write it in Matrix form XYZ are the three villages as is given here: 400, 300, 100, 300, 250, 75, 500, 400, 150, and the cost is 50, 20, 40. So this is 3 by 3 and 3 by 1, so you can multiply. The product will be a 3 by 1 matrix. So the cost for village X is 30,000, cost for village Y is 23,000, cost for village Z is 39,000. This is competency-based questions in matrices for applied maths and mathematics. Thank you. In an election, a party hired a firm to promote its candidates in three ways: telephone, house call, and letters. The cost per contract in pairs is given in matrix A as 140, 200, and 150, standing for telephone, house call, and letters. The number of contracts of each type made in two cities X and Y is given in this matrix B. And find the total amount spent by the party in the two cities. So using matrices, we write this 2 by 2 matrix X and Y standing for X and Y, and the 3 by 1 matrix. So we have 2 by 3 and 3 by 1, so the product is 2 by 1, and that will give you 9,99,000 and 21,20,000. So the amount spent in city X is 9,90,000 and in city Y is 21,20,000. So this is competency based questions in matrices. Thank you. If A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, find AB transpose minus BA transpose. You are given some choices here: symmetric, null, diagonal, skew symmetric matrix. Now AB transpose minus BA transpose transpose will be AB transpose transpose minus BA transpose transpose, because A minus B transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. So this is BA transpose minus AB transpose, because AB transpose is B transpose A transpose, and transpose of a transpose is the original matrix. So this is minus AB transpose minus BA transpose. So I got AB transpose minus BA transpose transpose is minus of this. So it is a skew symmetric matrix, because when is a matrix said to be skew symmetric? If A transpose is minus A. Another MCQ: let A be this matrix, which is true. A squared is I, A transpose is minus I, determinant A is 0, none of these. So you can square the matrix, you will get it as I. So your answer is option A squared equal to I. So these are competency based questions in matrices for class 12 math and applied math. Thank you. Stay tuned. P and Q are two matrices such that P plus Q transpose is 7 minus 830. If P is minus 1, 1, 3, 2, find Q. These are your options. So let Q be ABCD. So P plus Q will be minus 1 plus A, 1 plus B, 3 plus C, and 2 plus D, because this is P. P plus Q transpose, the first row becomes the first column, so this is minus 1 plus A, 3 plus B. Second row becomes the second column, and equate it to 7 minus 8, 3, 0. So you get minus 1 plus A is 7, A is 8, 3 plus A is minus 8, C is minus 11, 1 plus B is 3, B is 2, 2 plus D is 0, D is minus 2. So Q will be ABCD, that is 8, 2, minus 11, minus 2. That is option C. Now, if A is x0, 0, y is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then find x plus y. We are given some combinations here. So because x plus y is, this is symmetric, A equal to A transpose, which is the same thing, and A is skew symmetric, so A equal to minus A transpose. That is minus x0, 0 minus y. So we get x equal to minus x, that means x is 0, y equal to minus y, that means y is also 0. So x plus y is 0, that is option A. So these are competency based questions in matrices for class 12. Thank you.
Hope this has helped you. Thank you.